Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. Today, I've got a treat for you, an Italian tortellini salad that's not only delicious, but also super easy to whip up. Whether you're planning a picnic, a light dinner, or just looking for a quick meal, this salad has got you covered. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Let's get our tortellini cooking. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and cook your tortellini for 5 to 7 minutes. Once the tortellini is done, drain it and set it aside to cool. Drenching it with cold water like I did seems to do the trick. While the tortellini cools, we can prepare the rest of our salad. We're going to give our red onion a very fine dice. This will add a nice sharpness to balance out the sweetness of the tomatoes. For our peppers, we will also be giving them a fine dice. Try to keep them about the same size as the onion. These peppers will give us a sweet and crunchy texture. Next, halve your cherry tomatoes. I love using cherry tomatoes because they're sweet and juicy. Now it's time to chop our cucumber. I like quartering it and keeping the pieces not too big. I don't know about you, but I love chopping vegetables. It is so calming and relaxing. Now chop your parsley as finely as you can. Time to slice and dice your salami into little cubes. Now we're gonna make a quick and simple Italian dressing. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of honey, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper to your liking. Whisk these ingredients well together and very slowly add half a cup of oil. Now that everything is prepped, let's put it all together. In a large bowl, combine the cool tortellini, cucumber, peppers, onion, parsley, cherry tomatoes, and salami. Just look at those colors. This salad is as beautiful as it is tasty. Now drizzle your Italian seasoning all over the top. Gently toss everything together until the tortellini and veggies are nicely coated in the dressing. You want every bite to be packed with flavor. Garnish with a little Parmesan, and bam, you're done. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more delicious outdoor cooking recipes. And if you try this Italian tortellini salad at home, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Good. Super good.
So good.